Hello everyone. This video is about course outcomes of English literature, uh, which is the subject is taught in BA Same Sex. Hello, I am Vaibhav Padode, Assistant Professor, Mahatma Gandhi Arts, Science and late NP Commerce College, Armory, District Gadchiroli. So before starting with the outcomes, I will tell you the syllabus of this subject and then unit by unit I will explain the outcomes you will learn after the completion of this course. There are 4 units. In the first unit, we are going to deal with drama, which will be in a detailed study. The drama is Dance Like a Man by Mahesh Dattani. This is an Indian English drama. Second unit is also drama, but this is non-detailed drama. We are not going to detail it in this drama. Gashiram Kotwal is the drama. Basically, this is the translation by Vijay Tendulkar. This has been translated into English from Marathi. The original play was written by Vijay Tendulkar. Now you will learn how and why Indian literature emerged as a distinct field of study. The student, you will be able to interpret the works of great writers of Indian writer in English. You will be able to demonstrate through discussion and writing an understanding of significant cultural and stereotype societal issues presented in Indian English literature. You will be able to think about the non-fixity of meaning of literary text. The syllabus is going to offer you a summary of the various stages of Indian writing evolution in English. You will be able to introduce you will learn the thematic concern, genres, trends of Indian English writing. Next, there is unit 2. We are going to deal with background topics, means the Aristotle's poetics. In Aristotle's poetics, we are going to only deal with the character and plot, not other parts of this poetics. And the second topic is classical Indian drama by Bharat Muni. Here we are going to only deal with theory and practice. After completion of this unit, you will know the position of literature within the humanities and appreciate it. You will learn and give value to literature, perceive it and analyze it objectively. You will be able to learn trace the development of history of English literature from its beginning to the present day. You will learn the history of literary criticism and various literary theories. As the English literary theory starts from Aristotle, you will be developed a skill in applying various literary theories in interpreting a specific text. Now in the fourth unit, we are going to study literary terms. There are basically 8 literary terms, which are monologue, soliloquy, stock character, catharsis, dramatic irony, cosmic irony, denouement, 3 unities. These literary terms are very helpful to understanding the English literature. After this unit, You will be know about the thematic concerns, genres, and trends of Indian writing in English. You will be able to learn the history of literary criticism and various literary theories, and you will be trained to attempt practical criticism and plays, passages, and poems. You will also learn to value the literature, perceive it, and analyze it objectively. So course outcome. These are the course outcomes we have discussed by unit by unit. So this is all for today. Thank you.